So hello everybody. Today we shall be dealing with exercise 13E, and that too some important problems. Okay, some important problems. That is the variation. Always we are dealing with variation, where one sum is different from the other. So here in number 1 it says that you find which is a perfect square. That means a trinomial is given, x square plus 14x plus 49. Now they have given us a trinomial because it has three terms, one term, two term and three term. So it says that can you find whether this is a perfect square or not. Perfect square means it should be in the form of a plus b whole square. So you can say this is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square because this is equal to 3 square. 16 is a perfect square because it's 4 square. Similarly 125 is a perfect square because not is perfect square. 25 is a perfect square because this 25 can be written as 5 square. Similarly, can you convert this in the form of a plus b whole square? So before we start, let us see whether a plus b whole square gives what and how does it look. Okay, so when we break a plus b whole square, what are we going to get? So we will get a plus b multiplied by a plus b. So how do we multiply? We multiply in this way. Both of the terms should be multiplied with b first, and then both the terms should be multiplied with a first. Okay, so b times b is equal to b square. Now b times a is equal to ab. Similarly, a times b is equal to ab, and a times a is equal to a square. So when we add this, we get b square plus 2ab a square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we found that a plus b whole square can be written in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if you want to multiply it in linear form, okay, this was the columnar method. Let us multiply this in linear form. So how do you write a square? You write a square as a into a. Similarly, a plus b whole square will give you a plus b multiplied by a plus b. A plus b multiplied by a plus b. So let us multiply. We will multiply a with both the terms, and we will multiply a plus b with a, and then again a plus b with b. So a times a will give you a square. Similarly, a times b will give you ab. Once again, b times a will give you ab, and then b times b will give you b square. Okay, so we multiply in this way, a with a and b simultaneously. So here you get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now I hope you have understood that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. Now let us have a closer look at this. What does this symbolizes? It symbolizes that when we break a plus b whole square, isn't it? When we break a plus b whole square, we find that over here it was b square. It was b square over here, and from this b, one b is taken over here. Means the first term whole square plus second term whole square plus 2 times first term into second term. Once again, first term whole square plus second term whole square plus 2 times first term into second term over here. I hope you have understood this. I hope you have understood this. So now let us see whether the given expressions are a whole square, is a whole square or not. X square plus 14x plus 49. So my dear, have a look. This x square can be written as x whole square. Okay. Now this 49 can be written as 7 whole square. Fine. In the middle it should be 2 times x into 7, means 2 times ab. This is my a whole square. This is my b whole square. In the middle it should be 2 times a into b. So I find that 2 times a into b gives 14x. This means that this can be put in the formula a plus b whole square. This means our final result will be x plus 7 whole square. So we find that this particular x square plus 14x plus 49 is a whole square, means a perfect square, isn't it? Let us take some more examples so that our task becomes easier. So I am going to take 9b square plus 12b plus 16. Now this 9b square can be written as 3b whole square, while this 16 can be written as 4 whole square. Okay. Now in the middle it should be, the value should be 2ab, means 2 times a is my 3b, 2 times 3b times 4. And let me see if this value is equal to this. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So I find that this particular value is not equal to this particular value. They are not same. Since they are not same, this means this cannot be put in the formula a plus b whole square. Therefore, I would say that not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Okay. Had it been so, had these two been so equal, then it would have been a perfect square, isn't it? Let us check some more so that we get a better grasp of what we study. 16x square minus 16xy plus y square. So this 16x square can be written as 4x whole square, and this y square can be written as y whole square, and in between it should be minus 2 times. Since it is minus over here, we will put minus over here. This means if a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, similarly a minus b whole square will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So this should come in the formula a minus b whole square, because minus is over here, isn't it? So now let me see if the middle value is equal to this value. So in the middle it should come 2 times a into b, 2 times a, 2 times a. Let me write it separately, y square, 2 times a, that is 4x, times y. And let me see if this particular value is equal to this. Again I find that there is a mismatch, means these two values are not matching. So I would say not a perfect square, not a perfect square, because here you have 8xy and here you are getting 16xy. Okay, let us take one more example, okay, so that our concept becomes clear. Now I am going to take 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Let me see. This can be written as 2x whole square. Fine. This 1 can be written as 1 square, and in between we should get 2 times a into b, 2 times 2x into 1, 2x into 1, and the value of this should be equal to value of this. So I find that since both the values are same, therefore this whole can be put in the form a plus b whole square. Now therefore this will be equal to 2x plus 1 whole square, and we'll write is a perfect square, is a perfect square. Even if you do not write it, it is understood that this is a perfect square. I hope I have cleared your doubts. Let us see if there are some more different kind of problems over here. Thank you.